My name is Steve Morris. I'm the Regional Director for Classic Collision here in Southern California, formerly Pride Auto Body. And today I was invited to see a demonstration on glue pulling repairs as put together by KECO, organized by my good friend Toby Chess. I was able to send one of my lead technicians here for the training to learn more about a system that I was not familiar with. An excellent demonstration on the ability to pull dents, not just PDR type dents, but full-blown collision, the use of glue and pulling devices. Some of the things I learned were with the glue pull, instead of the stud welding that we've used in the past, there's a lot less corrosion issues that we put into the repair. Enlightened me that there are other ways to do collision repair that could also help avoid getting into blend panels, just making life easier for the technician do what is otherwise a really tough job for them.